Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be showing you my clip-in hair extensions that I got off of Amazon. These are amazing. The brand is either Goo Goo Hair or Go Go Hair. I am not sure and I hope I didn't butcher it, but these extensions are 100% human Remy hair. I'm just basically showing you the packaging here. It comes with the hair, I got some lashes, I got a clip, and of course it came with a booklet with just kind of like a manual. I did get 2 bundles of this as well, just so y'all know I did get 2 bundles. The extensions themselves came in this nice packaged net, and then they came with 9 pieces, so I ordered the 9 pieces. I also got the 1B for any of those who want to know. The hair was amazing. I had no shedding. This is, you know, straight out of the packaging. These are seamless clip-ins, and I also washed and conditioned these clip-ins and they were amazing afterwards as well. One thing that was very interesting about these clip-ins is that they started off straight, and I actually wanted more of a body wave, so I was really happy that the extensions, you know, kind of shaped into a body wave style after I washed and conditioned them. So basically for the rest of this video, I'm going to show you me just installing them. And listen, I am not a professional hairstylist. I just do what works for me when it comes to styling my hair. These were very easy, very beginner friendly for me because I am a beginner at this, so I've never really worn clip-ins before. But yeah, so just sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and I will be back with my final thoughts. Overall, I absolutely love these extensions. Again, this is my first time wearing clip-in extensions. I think this was an absolutely amazing investment. They were super affordable. I'll leave the link in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.